Hello guys, today is my first time to bake this. It's a Swedish knäcke bread, or it's a hard bread, and this is very healthy bread. This is that one. It's my first time today to bake this one as an experiment using my skillet. So you can bake 230 degrees for 6 minutes, and then you have to cover and wait for 6 minutes for 230 degrees, and then after that you have to turn around so both sides will be cooked or crunchy. So now it's finished the 230 degrees for 7 minutes, no sorry 6 minutes, and now I have to turn around, and I also remove the paper. This one, you just need this one because it's more easy to put after. I just wanted to spilling like this. This is how it is. So, and then I have to cover again, and I put 230 degrees. And it's 6 minutes. So now it's finished. We'll see how it's look like. 230 degrees with 6 minutes one side and 6 minutes to other side. Look at that, guys. Wow, it's really amazing. Yes, and look how crunchy it is. It is not burn, but I like it because it's so crunchy. See? It's yummy. And when it's cold, easily to break them and then just put it here. You can eat anytime. And this one I just bought like this, and I just add only olive oil because I don't want to use oil. I use olive oil and 0.75 deciliter of olive oil, and 4 deciliter of hot water. There's just only this one. It's healthy, and I use Skillet. A mini oven at home. So easy. Sometimes it's good to experiment. Thank you for watching. Enjoy Saladmaster. Bye.